I know that you're all going through decisions right now and you're worried about what your future may look like. Now, I'm going to tell you about something. You know, when people ask me about the difference between AI and software engineering, it's actually a pretty interesting question. These terms have gotten super popular lately, and sometimes they mean different things depending on who you ask. Software engineering today looks nothing like it did 15 or 20 years ago. Back then, programming was way more hands-on. We're talking punching holes in cards or writing assembly code. Now, with languages like Python and even tools where you can just talk to an AI in natural language, software engineering is more about designing systems and solving problems than just writing lines of code. If you can already code but haven't really dived into AI, it's totally normal to feel a bit hesitant or even worried that using AI might feel like cheating, especially when you're working on school assignments. You definitely don't want to just hand in an AI generated work as your own. AI can actually be a fantastic helper if you use it the right way. One feature from Blackbox AI that I think is really cool is the app builder. Basically, you just type in what kind of website you want and the AI builds the entire thing for you. A full working website just from your description. It's like having your own personal developer who gets exactly what you need and whips it up in no time. And what's really neat about this is that you get a website ready to go. You can open it up right in your browser and see it live. This is awesome because it means you can focus on your ideas, your design, and your creativity without getting stuck banging your head against the code. Honestly, if I had something like this when I was learning, it would have made everything way faster and way less frustrating. Of course, to really get the most out of it, don't just accept that the AI gives you blindly. Take a look under the hood, play around with the code, and try to understand why it works the way that it does. That's how this tool turns from just a shortcut into a real learning buddy. So yeah, don't ignore these kinds of tools or pretend they don't exist. That actually holds you back. Instead, dive in, try out Blackbox's app builder, and see how much easier and way more fun building websites can be. Trust me, it's a game changer that you will need.